It is useless to approach God hoping for facts. Rather, we must remove the self-erected obstacles in the way towards experience. A similar duality obtains if we turn to belief. The root of the word is love. All that remains for us is the word leaf, familiar from Shakespeare, with which one described one's love or one's dear Lord. Belief is about a relationship in which, by definition, more than one party is involved. The believer needs to be disposed to love, but the believed in needs to inspire another's belief. Whether this amounts to being worthy of that belief cannot be fully determined in advance. It emerges only through commitment and experience. Etymology maps the slippage of thought. What it shows in this case is three revealing shifts. First, the words truth and belief used to describe a reverberative or two-directional relationship in which each party is responsible for the fit. For us today, truth and belief are no longer relational, but have become propositional. In the process, the causation becomes no longer distributed and reciprocal, but linear. Second, we note that truth and belief used to be embodied actions or processes involving commitment, not, as they are now conceived, detached, disembodied things. Third, as processes, truth and belief derive their value from the context, could never be absolute, and were never single or static. These reflections on the nature of truth, knowledge, and belief show how each of them has shifted from something consonant with the world picture of the right hemisphere to that of the left, leading us to err in approaching the divine.